I'm trying to relax. How can I help you?
So you're calling about the $9.95 a month plan from Colonial Penn?
Okay. What?
Is it time for you to call about the
I'm,
$9.95?
yes,
What you talking about?
I'm trying to relax. I'm laying down.
We just need a reminder not to take today for granted.
What do you want then?
Someone you know or a health scare. That's why
What?
call for free
You have food?
Colonial Penn's $9.95 plan.
What was that?
You can get guaranteed acceptance starting at just
What can I do? I'm trying to relax. I already gave you your dinner.
permanent coverage. Just pay your premium.
Got food over there. Yeah, I did.
95 plan is Colonial Penn's number
What do you want then? Yes. What do you want to go out? You want to go out?
Your rate can never go up.
Okay, let's go. No?
Don't put it off.
You want to go out?
First easy step. Call today.
Are you hungry? Are you choking? You don't want to go out, don't you? How can I help you then? How can I help you, honey? You want to go out? Let's go out. Come on. Come on. Let's go.